We hear about success stories all the time, and they kind of tear at your heartstrings. There are so many stories that you hear of people living the total American dream.
Having my own business has set my soul on fire. It's made me realize that I can achieve anything that I want to do. It doesn't matter where you came from.
I graduated from art school in 2009. I couldn't really find a job, and I just wanted to work in the darkroom.
When I lost my job, I had this vision that I would have a mobile flower truck. When I realized that this was something I was really passionate about, everything started happening really quickly.
If you've ever been a business and you've gone to look for funding, you have to fill out hundreds of pieces of paper in all of the typical loan documents.
I did try to get a loan the traditional way by going to the bank, but they required so much of what I didn't have being a new business. It just made it really difficult to get that financial help. That's when I was introduced to Square Capital.
What sets Square apart is that we have a deep relationship and understanding with our sellers. And we ask the questions, can we be more proactive? Can we help a seller buy a new salon chair or hire a new employee? And that led us to an answer of Square Capital.
About a year ago, I was running some reports on Square and just had a little window pop up.
So I got this email from Square announcing this new program, Square Capital.
That mentioned something about Square Capital, and I was like, what's this?
What is this? This is nice.
What? You're basically offering me money at a fixed rate.
You click on Capital in your dashboard.
They said, here's the amount that we approve you for. The money was in my account 24 hours later. That was it. It was as easy as that.
It was kind of magic.
We've been working with businesses of every type, of every size. The beauty of Square and Square Capital together is that we're helping to empower a business that has been underserved by the financial industry.
The process of growing from a closet in a basement to a complex has been really incredible. And having the Square Capital funding has made a huge difference.
As soon as I got the funds, I decided to freshen up the truck a little bit. It was just nice to give her a little spa day.
We've taken 3 loans through Square Capital. We've tripled our workforce and tripled our fleet size.
I'm now on my 2nd loan, and that has allowed me to expand my brand.
I think what's interesting about Square Capital is you really can see how we serve an underserved population, and we make it incredibly easy so that these small businesses can grow.
And we thank you for your business.
Fresh Sunshine has really taken on a life of its own, and for the first time in a long time, I feel like I'm exactly where I need to be.
As a business owner, it fills me with a lot of pride to provide for my family.
This was the dream, and now this is reality.